Hello everyone, my name is Ariel Pamungkas and today I'm going to present my project for English 2. The topic of my presentation is Computer and Inside the Computer. I hope after this presentation you will understand more about how computers work and what is inside them. Let's start with the question. What is the computer? A computer is an electronic device that can process data to produce information. It helps people work faster and easier in many ways, such as typing documents, browsing the internet, or playing games. In short, a computer is a smart machine that helps us do our daily tasks. And slide 3. Every computer has 4 main functions. The first one is input. This means recovering data, for example, from a keyboard or a mouse. The second is process. This is where the CPU works to handle all the data. And the third is the output. This is how the result such as on a monitor or printer. And the last one is storage, where information is saved on a hard drive or SSD. These 4 functions happen every time we use a computer. And the slide 4. There are many different types of computer. The most common one is the personal computer or PC, which is used at home or in office. Next, in the laptop, which is smaller and easy to carry anywhere. We also have server, which manage data and network in companies. And finally, supercomputer. These are very powerful computers used for science and research, like weather prediction or space study. So, computers come in many forms depending on their use. And slide 5. Now let's look inside the computer. Inside, there are many components that work together. These parts are called hardware. Without hardware, a computer cannot work. Each part has an important role, just like organs in your body. And slide 6. Let's talk about the main component inside the computer. The first one is motherboard. It's like the main rod that connects all other parts together. The CPU, or central processing unit, is known as the brain of the computer, is the process all the instruction. And the third, RAM or memory, is where data is kept temporarily while the computer is working. And the next one, the hard drive or SSD, stores data permanent like photo, video, and document. So the power supply gives electric to all parts, and the GPU handles image and graphic, especially in games or video. All these parts are important for the computers to work properly. And the slide 7. How the components work. When we turn on the computer, here what happens. The power supply sends electric to all components. The CPU starts to process data. The RAM helps the CPU by keeping data ready for quick access. And the hard drive save and load files. The GPU shows picture and video on the monitor. And the cooling fan keeps everything cool to prevent overheating. So every time you use a computer, other components work together like a team. So to conclude my presentation, as a computer is very powerful tool that help us in education, work and entertainment. The component inside the computer, such as the CPU, motherboard, RAM and others, all play a special role to make it work. By understanding what inside a computer, we can appreciate how amazing technology is today. Thanks for me. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation.